Poviwa, when Yabu yan to Abeni. Gab, Mayanko, what's a shaby? Mayanko could see the buoy, yet you know your wing. Gab Mayanko pomited then.
True, Namina Dumo,
Yamia Dumpa, yet I say.
My true. Tell me, because him was a Bayana Mujizam, I was there, I've been vindicated.
Or dim or
Dimpa. Debia Mekase, Nanabi, JFK, Chamambuti. These people are in the pocket of Kennedy and Japan. One say, and maybe the cover platform will say, Afenyo marking. Echo make a statement. This say Kennedy and Japan, the man is coming and be a business. So how do you expect someone like him to be happy for Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia? Why would you be happy?
Yes, well.
Exactly. So me, Otiona 1 morning seminal. I have a problem. But you can see from his face from day one. I'm not done premo. I can say they are backing Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He came out to make an hypocritical speech, said, only the oil leader and he own declare this year. But today it's clear and it's there. Tell me, I can say actions speak louder than words.
Gab, we don't have a problem there. If whether you declare for Japan, that is not a problem. You can declare for Japan and nobody is going to say anything. But when immediately we are talking about leadership, because Afenyo they did not give you the opportunity to speak on that problem for just there. But they gave you the opportunity to speak because they recognize you as one of the leaders.
Exactly.
So you have to show maturity and you have to show the leadership. So you don't clap for four of them. And when about you don't have to do that.
At that Mambuga got 2 TV3 for Mike to Triano. Reaction. As if he's more sensible than Temabuga and NPP for Benifan number 2. You don't do that.
Magabin chair, yeah, and I brought my yim. Yajiba, the Chili, the Baba, Grand Diabetic, say Chili, the Baba.
Adia, was after your marking, Ehune say, you are representing the New Patriotic Party as a leader in Parliament.
Yes.
Even regardless of your personal affiliation and I say your personal encounter with anyone, put that aside. Any meeting, national. In Ababa South Banadi, we are here for what purpose? To sign a peace pact. Until we say now, meaning say you are not ready for the peace. You are not ready for the peace. Now, me, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, I thought that the calmness, I need too much because the maestro is saying here. First and foremost, the prayer could do attempt a control. Party leadership no entinya the condemn and calling into order. Then you come back to tell me say member signing peace pact. Peace pact, I get a woman biano. Ya can't in that chamber of Muninati. What you need to do is to sign. Ya didn't pay man. She any more than 2 hours.
Gab now sure that what cannot be because when you check them, when they were reading the pact to them, so he was not listening to it.
No, he wasn't. Mamencha baby, who said I don't know about foolish meeting or mobile. Tama osifri ne ka nimna onko venue on mono. Sheni dimina, shenenim na she even omo meeting no me so mu chia no kra hwe. The oye but I'm telling him today on your platform say Kennedy Japan onye be man cho bia o party ni mo say o say our boys obema boys no aba on that day me person on odi animu one single slap
Gab, listen, the voice of NPPC even pono the park no it was given to them for a whole week. 2 weeks. 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Aha! 2 weeks. Thank you, my brother. The voice, thank you very much.
In that thing. Omunim ade biara e was a peace party nim. Na do danko akufo do atimia ba begina honom hwe papa ne nsem obeka ye empusu. Na esa wo de NPP nimu no umbu obia. NPP nimu no umbu obia, but this is the time I was say makere ja
who say almost all one channel now.
Yeah, when Chia Nado, yes, when Chia.
When Chia, the new patriotic party, no, a social work in the Japan, no. Shenanim ano de ti on even brother champion yes or srek in nimpo right there they also come sacking free venue honum because you are not ready to make peace with anyone. You are not ready to, but I'm telling him here, say after 31st, any form of defamation, you know, he will be sued in court. I'm telling him. We will take you to court. We will take you to court and you come and prove it over there. Me who papa penimua otina sema enkwala esukonoma good name pa wuji mi ko ma block me block wo me mute wuntimi enye ibiem nya madam ko no ba be
yeah o me fi no kra no podi anu podi
me say Canada Japan they were them complete o na ye na ehu ni court no onyi nto so
me say exactly the even can
go back be we na ye nanu mirichi gap
oh yes so man fa na no
manfana no si na ye nanu be safunu pede wo kebi nti manfana do si gap
nti me de manu si no the me de bia me cassette say honorable Dambotwe ina Castilla or ye chairman for the party ka Canada Japan ke yi na free party nim da because the man and yes all time Canada Japan he hates someone who is arrogant. He hates someone who is arrogant.
10th of January 2026. Today, it has been moved to 9th February 2026.
wow.
Do you know why? Their masters are on strike. No one is talking about these people. No single person in this country on the side of academia is talking about our teacher training colleges. Hey, this country home. Sometimes I just sit and ask myself, are we serious? Look, the judiciary are on strike today. I don't know, I think about yesterday or the day before yesterday. Over 8 months unpaid salary. And we're told that this Christmas was so joyful to the extent that everyone was enjoying.
Allah.
Which country are we living in? Look, under Nanado, we didn't introduce a no-fee stress policy. But you know something? When a student gets an admission, you are paying around 3,000 to 3,500 with no fee stress, nothing. Come and pay and then go to school. Today, with no fee stress, they are paying more than 5,000 Ghana cedis. And they'll still come back and tell you that we've given you 1,500 back as no fee stress. Hey, what kind of mentality are we even thinking at all?
Madam Mo, thank you so much. God bless you.
Are we thinking at all? Hey, Madam Mo.
Oh, thank you. Yami Shirawo. Oh.
What type of country are we living in? As Obian Junior, like we are just there. The NDC for Becca, all you know, all we hear is Ezu Eza, dollar back from.
NPP Sonny.
Hey, what type of country is this? Look, you see, my problem is that when we are presenting them with facts and evidence, when we are presenting them with facts and evidence, they don't listen. Oh, I just say,
Thank you for gifting the people.
Ajimi for adoswama, who can be obianti. See, teacher training college, the letter is there. It just came yesterday. Say they are reopening. That has been moved to February 19th. And do you know what? And you confirmed since February 19th from Ambeko School because February 9th. It's not confirmed from Ambeko School because their teachers are not even ready to go back to school.
I want to make
are not ready to go back to school. We left a hospital that was running on a digital platform. Today our hospitals are running on an analog paper system, and we are saying that the country is moving forward. Look, today our tertiary institutions fees have been increased by 25%, and they'll still come and tell you dollar about from. How is dollar impacting on this? Do you know the sad thing? Look, if you read the PURC letter that they came out with last month in December on reasons why water and then electricity is going up, the key things they mentioned was 1, inflation, and then 2, exchange rates. This government wants us to believe that one of the things they've done so marvelously well is exchange rates and inflation. So if they are able to impact well in these two sectors, how is it affecting us to the extent that our electricity has to go up by 15% on the 1st of January 2026? No one is talking about. Sorry, electricity is going up by 10% and then water going up by 15%. No one is talking about it.
25.
Then your salary is being increased by 10%. Hey, sorry, 9%.
9%.
9%. They come and clap for this government because what's the name? Dollar has come down. You see, sometimes I ask myself, say, the free senior high school and another they buy a mabuna shia diano. Like I'm with the grenadier. Do they use it to reason? It looks like we are not using it for anything. Oh. We are not using it for anything. And then everyone on the street is telling you that dollar has come down. How is the dollar impacting on your life? The person cannot say it. Today we've been told that I just listened to Felix Fusukwache when he told us that as at the end of December 2025, they were going to build 600 chip compounds.
Wrap up in 2 minutes so that we'll hear from the voice as well.
Yeah. Now, what I'm saying is that how do you throw a government that is building Agenda 111 and go for a government that is building chip compounds? Now, no one wants to reason about that. Let's put that one aside. Where are the 600 chip compounds? He's now telling us that it is not his policy, it is government's policy. Oh, so now we understand that when you say something, you are saying it on behalf of government, not you yourself. The Women's Bank, where is it? Women's Bank, where is it? It is only in Techimanov that they have Minister for Trade and Agribusiness. The sad reality is that come to Techimanov today, tomatoes are getting rotten day by day. Cabbage is being spoiled day by day. Garden eggs is being spoiled day by day. But we have Minister for Trade and Agribusiness. But they'll still come and say, let's clap for this woman. Why? She's doing well. What has she done? We don't know. You then look at, go to Accra and Kumasi. First are determined by the drivers. Any amount they want to give it out, you have nothing to say.
Now, what the levy abonipa 4%.
And Nanado, Nika, Nancy Amafu, boy, question, say, Nanado, the taxes are too far gone. So I want to ask any reasonable Ghanaian today in Ghana, which task has this NDC removed on fuel? Not even a single one. But rather, they further added taxes on fuel. So, NDC are by own. But I think I have just 1 minute.
Yeah.
We need someone who is very visionary, who is focused, who is resource-oriented like Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I, as the TESCON coordinator, Media Debia Mekabunu is I've organized my boys. The TESCON is for DMB. We are going for it. We are going for it. Try error and
error.
We don't have time. Ghana is way behind. We don't have time to be going and be doing antics. We need someone who is focused, who is resource oriented. He's in opposition today, but he has something to prove in this government. That this is what I've left behind and you are benefiting from it. This is Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. Inti ejana kwa kufahwai. Delegates, yes sir, mo atem diene de yamfanto nchen. Nye kano nyina yamfanto nchen. Yenhwe obi a oba beboa oman Ghana, and that is Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia.
Sure. Thank you so much, Bono. Thank you. Tescon number 3. The voice. My one and only doctor.
Just 5
Good
seconds. Why?
morning, no.
Hello.
Hello.
Please, 5 seconds.
Guy,
5
can you
seconds,
mute
please.
yourself, please?
2024. Yes, please. Just 5 seconds. I want to tell you something. 2024. Me Yusumo to be a friend Royal 150 Lion. 2024. MPP time. Me turn 97 million. 2025 9 December. Me turn moto 9 December. Esan cut off for and now almost $1 above femono. Me turn 124 million. 124 million. So oka chem say $1 above fem na makoto moto at that time I must say na egu for adoni Dr. Baomia. Ku yen 97 na mo say mu ye nyankopon maba. Nti mo abeje yen na me turn 12,400. What are you me that say?
Thank you.